everyone, welcome to St. Carlos Floating Restaurant. I'm Mariam Ibrahim, one of the community guide of Bapungan Mangrove Ecotourism Service Cooperative. We are proud to say that we are one of the 5 sites of community-based sustainable tourism here in Puerto Princesa City, Palawan. So we built this project through the help of our city government, led by Mayor Edward Isagidorn, Ms. Gina Lopez of EBS-CBN Foundation, the DNR, the Department of Tourism, the City Tourism, and also the participation of the Palawan State University. So we are now facing the 378 hectares of second-growth mangrove forest. So part of this tour, we will give you some information about the importance of mangrove, what are the ecological and economic benefits and their function. So for the meantime, I would like to invite everyone to watch and enjoy the cultural entertainment that we prepared for you. So, dito po muna tayo. Ay, nawala na yung sasayaw. Nagsilog.
Alin?
Kay sir to.
Okay, hindi po sa akin. Paaraw kayo? Paano kayo?
Gusto niyong sumali magsayaw? Okay lang.
Vinny, go.
Okay.
Miss, hali daw kayong sayaw? Vinny.
Puting yung sayaw po nila. Ano po yan siya, yung tuba, yung galing sa inyo. Yan yung ginagawa before. Tapos yung lalagyan sa likod yan yung ginagawa ng tunggan. Diyan yung lalagyan yung tuba. Tapos kayo, ginawa nilang sayaw. Cultural dance na po.
Hindi naman kasama yung tuba dun sa cruise natin.
Hindi na po. Before po, kanina po kasi wala silang tuba. Hindi po nakakuha. Pero pag sumasayaw po sila, may dala-dala, may laman po.
Pero gumagawa pa rin.
Opo. Ano po, yung father ko po kasi Muslim, yung mother ko Christian.